Now doing this job, I'm still at the same job, but I'm doing the front entrance way. The reason for my masking tape is black grout is the worst ever to use and it can stain everything. So what I'm intending to do is have the masking tape there to keep the black grout off the brick. I'll silicone up there against the timber. Silicone doesn't look that good against the brick because you can never get it nice and straight. In my younger days I tried to do without the masking tape, and whoa, your job never looks nice and tidy when it's finished. This is a super non-slip tile, so I won't be spreading the grout over the whole tile, I'll just be doing the lines. Anyway, I'll just pop this on my head and we'll get going. It's nice to have a sunny day. We've had so much rain, but we'll carefully go along around the edge. But if you, a word of warning, if you are thinking of using black grout, be bloody careful because it's hard to use. It can stain. The black oxide just stains everything. But with a with a black tile, it's the best grout to use. I have used a dark grey on the odd occasion. It's not quite as good as the black though. The black never stays super black. It's sort of over time it sort of disappears a bit, doesn't end up quite so, and it just looks better and better all the time. But if I didn't have masking tape there, I would be staining shit out of the bricks, and you can never get it clean. Or you can, if you do get it clean, you've spent hours doing it. I don't work that way. If you can prevent it, prevent it. But I will be putting a warning up at the front of my description or the heading of my video. Warning, black grout can be a pain. But $5 or $10 worth of masking tape can save you a lot of trouble, a lot of heartache. I might actually start wiping it off in a minute. It's the hardest grout to use, black. As you can see, I'm trying not to spread it everywhere. Because with the high texture of non-slip, the roughness in the tile, you can't get all your grout off either. I should have gloves on too, but with the wash boy it's not too bad. If you're using a sponge in a bucket of water, well, good luck to you. It'll take 2 or 3 weeks to get the black out of your hands. Because it goes everywhere. So a word of warning. But you wait when I've wiped it off. It'll look $1 million. With this being a rough tile, I don't have to have my wash boy super wrung out like I did on the shiny tiles inside. You keep your wash boy fairly wettish, not full on wet, but you know what I mean. You can see what I'm doing. With walls, you have your wash boy pretty dry. I might even have to give this a bit of an acid wash. But I might be alright. I'll put on gloves when I pull the tape off. Would make sense. Oh, look at that, bloody beautiful. I'll probably throw away the sponge after this because it'll be pretty sort of worn out. You've got to lift your front up a little bit otherwise you'll just pull the sponge off the plastic. Now you see why I've only grouted the lines, not the whole tile. The oxide would just be soaking into that brickwork full on. Oh, I'll pull it off in a minute. That tape. Now that has saved me so much heartache and pain, I tell you. So much cleaning. But that's if you're gonna listen to anything I say, well, that's one real important. When using black grout, mask up whatever you're going up against. If I was going up against white skirting or a wall or anything, I'd stain that white paint major. So I'll turn off the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Press the button to subscribe. Press the bell. And we'll see you on the flip side. See ya.